Hello friends, today I'm fixing the microwave. Doesn't work. Now I'm gonna plug it in and check if it does turn it on or not. But the customer said this is not turning on anymore. Now as you can see it doesn't turn it on. I plug it in, nothing. When I open it, no light, no nothing. Now I'm gonna try to unplug and check the plug if it's working with this kettle next to me. This is a kettle I'm gonna check with. As you can see, I plug in and then this kettle is working. So it means this socket is working perfect fine. Now I'm gonna change this plug I'm gonna plug on the next socket. As you can see, it doesn't turn on. No light, no nothing. Now I'm gonna open this screw. There's a screw at the back also and on the side. Here is the back. There's few screws and then I'm gonna remove it. And some of them I already removed them. Now I'm gonna check inside. That's how it look like inside. Firstly, I'm going to test the continuity on the fuse. Then I got the continuity. Wow, also there's a cockroach trying to help me there. Now I'm also gonna check the thermostat. The thermostat. Yes, you can see the thermal fuse that it's also not bent and then it's working. There's continuity. So now I'm going to check if maybe there's nothing. The relay. On the relay, I have to get some numbers there. Now I got 870. The relay is working well, and then now I got the power. The board is fine, but I'm going to check inside. Some of the components maybe might be bent or something. But sometimes you have to tape the relay, because sometimes after you tape the relay, then the microwave sometimes it's working, or maybe sometimes probably was a relay. So you have to tape it and then I'm gonna plug it if maybe it was a relay or not. Then I plug it in. The microwave doesn't turn on. So thank you for. So now please, you must check my book. That was my book. Everything's in there. Then I already assembled the relay. And then when you assemble the board, you have to assemble it. There's a clip on the bottom. You must open it nicely, and the screw on top. The screw needs to be there. I will show you how it was like this. You have to open that screw there, and then on the bottom there's a clip. So you must open it carefully and then remove the two wires from there. Please check this book out on Amazon. And now I'm going to check if there's anything I can find. Now as you can see, everything is fine, no broken wires, nothing. And now the board is out, and then it was dead and I cleaned it up. As you can see, now it's clean. I cleaned with a damp cloth. As you can see there, it was very dirty because there were a lot of cockroach was in there. And then I'm gonna open these screws there so that I can able to check inside. Now there is something I have to check. As you can see the board here on the board, as you can see those diode they are broken solder. You have to resolder them. As you can see there, they are broken. Then you have to renew them with the soldering and soldering again. I think the problem was it. And then I'm going to solder it so I can get so that those wires can get a voltage if they increase it. Because now on this side must get 11, on the other side must get 7 voltages. So I'm going to resolder them. After that, then try to check it if maybe there was a problem with it, because there's nothing wrong with any component. Every component is fine. I double check. Then I test it. I'm gonna test with the multimeter. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment and ask any question. Also must check out my book on Amazon, and then everything you want to know is there. If that book has been selling out, I'm going to write another book about the appliances again. There's other stuff I need to tell you and other stuff like the new stuff, because there's other new appliances are coming out now. Here you go. Now I'm trying to put my phone so that I can check, find them. And now I'm done with soldering, because I was struggling to show you how did I solder. Struggle with the, so I was using this, as you can see. I resoldered them. And then now they are, as you can see, they are resolved now. And then I put new resolder and I heated them. Then now I'm about to check everything, but the best way is to resolder everything that you can see that is a rust or is broken. Maybe problem might be that, because if you buy new boards, it's gonna cost you too much. So it's better to check if the component is fine, or you have to resolder that. So you can just resolder and buy a new board. Yes, now I'm gonna plug it in. There you go. You see the problem was to resolder. So I didn't buy a new board, because to buy a new board is gonna cost too much, and then the customers wanna complain about the new board, about the price of the new board, because also there's a service, or maybe you're gonna complain about the new board, or maybe you can't find the new board. Please guys, don't subscribe and like and ask anything. Please don't forget to check this book on Amazon. Thank you very much. Bye.